Welcome to War India News Hour. Delayed supply of chips to impact the launch of leading mobile brands. Chips are made in plants that cost billions to build and equip. With the rise of artificial intelligence is another force pushing chip makers to innovate. However, TSMC raised its envisioned capital expenditure for 2021 as much as $28 billion from a record $17 billion a year prior, while Samsung is earmarking about $116 billion on a decade-long project to catch its Taiwanese arch-rival. But China is pushing hard to catch up. It's aimed for years to reduce its reliance on US technology, particularly in chips. President Joe Biden in February ordered a government-wide supply chain review for critical goods including chips. His administration, which is putting together a longer-term plan for chip supply, will play a key role in formulating tax incentives for a proposed $12 billion TSMC plant in Arizona and a $17 billion one Samsung is eyeing, possibly in Texas. Advanced logic chips grabs the headlines as the most expensive and complex pieces of silicon that give computers and smartphones their intelligence. When you hear about Apple or Qualcomm or Nvidia chips, those companies are actually just the designers of the semiconductors which are made in factories called foundries. TSMC leads the industry in production capabilities and everyone now beats the path to its doorstep to get the best chips made in its Taiwan facilities. Samsung overall is a bigger chip maker because of its dominance in memory chips, is trying to muscle in on that gold mine and is improving its production technology to be widely rated as the best option behind TSMC. Companies such as Qualcomm Inc. and Nvidia Corp have increasingly turned to Samsung. Let's look into today's headlines in War India. IIT Madras developed BlockTrack to securely digitize healthcare information. IIT Madras researchers have developed a blockchain-based healthcare information system by the name BlockTrack as a mobile phone app. The institute claims it's the first of its kind system that aims to securely digitize healthcare information systems while ensuring the protection of sensitive personal details and medical records. BlockTrack is being field tested currently at a hospital. Samsung smartphones are protected against Qualcomm chip vulnerability. As per Checkpoint reports, there is a vulnerability in Qualcomm's 5G modem chip. This vulnerability will affect about 30% of Android smartphones globally. The discovery of this vulnerability dates back to December last year. It may allow hackers to remotely attack Android users by injecting malicious code into the phone's modem, gain the ability to execute code, access mobile users' call records and text messages, and eavesdrop on calls. US faces largest cyber attack to its colonial pipelines. The US government issued emergency legislation after the largest fuel pipeline in the US was hit by a ransomware cyber attack. The Colonial Pipeline carries 2.5 million barrels a day, that is 45% of the East Coast supply of diesel, gasoline and jet fuel. It was completely knocked offline by a cybercriminal gang on Friday and is still working to restore service. It means drivers in 18 states can work extra or more flexible hours when transporting gasoline, diesel, jet fuel and other refined petroleum products. New Moria rootkit backdoors targets Windows systems. Ransomware is now a national security risk. An unknown threat actor used a new stealthy rootkit to backdoor targeted Windows system in what looks like an ongoing espionage campaign dubbed Tunnel Snake going back to at least 2018. Rootkits are packages of tools that are designed to stay under the radar by hiding themselves in deep levels of system code. Rootkits can range from malware designed to attack the kernel to firmware or memory and will often operate with high level of privilege. AMD EPYC server CPUs capture highest market share. Now AMD is making strides across the board, including the high-dollar data center segment where premium sums go towards the top silicon money can buy. Intel has historically dominated data center sales, but it can ill afford to become lax. AMD just saw its biggest sequential jump in data center market share in 15 years. The gain coincides with AMD recently revealing it more than doubled its data center revenue last quarter, which contributed to a strong 3-month period that saw AMD rake in $3.4 billion in revenue, a gain of 93% compared to the same quarter a year ago. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.